Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to set adaptive equalizer for your earbuds SOUNDPEATS Air for Lite. You have to start by open SOUNDPEATS application, and if you add your earbuds to the application you will see the same menu as I have. Just give a second to this application. Okay, this menu. Then we need to go to equalizer settings. So right here at the left bottom we have equalizer icon. You just tap on it, and here it is. At the first line we had adaptive equalizer. We try to enable it and we cannot because we do not set it. So click on it and now put these earbuds to your ears. Also you need to find quiet place and then you click next step. Now it will play some song for you, and if you hear the sound, you right here have a button start. It replaces to I hear it, and you just stop at the I hear it. And now I will show it to you. So now I hear, I don't hear it, so I didn't tap on it. Here we go. And here we go. Now it make a preset for us, and if you can click enable to save this preset, or you can retest it. But if you click enable, I'm going to click on it, yeah, and sure, here we go. And now we can enable adaptive equalizer, but you cannot use your normal equalizer with adaptive. Now, if you don't like this preset, you can click check the detailed information and retest it if you need it. Just tap on it and make the same what we made before. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.